Yo, what is up guys? Today I have my new WRXer Decals, which I'm going to put on my car right now. I just gave my car a bath, or a car wash, whatever you want to call it, and she's looking pretty good. So now that I have a clean surface to put this on, I'm going to put it on. So let's get opening. Yeah, they did come out a lot smaller than expected. But my next decals are going to have a YouTube logo on it, and it's going to say WRXerMedia on it, and it's going to get bigger than this. I was wondering why they were so cheap. Like I was expecting it to be like maybe like two of these basically, like put next to each other, I guess. But oh well. I'm going to go put this on now, so I'll bring you guys along with. Alright, as you guys just saw, these are more like fake decals. I need to get like bigger ones that say, that have the YouTube logo and say WRXerMedia. I need to get those, so hopefully I can find a good website that can make some high quality decals. I can custom make my own one and get some ordered, because that would be sick. But other than that, I'm going to a car show pretty soon, so hopefully I can make a video on that. But other than that, I guess this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please give a like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day, and peace out.